All right, Yema Obibi Acquah and Fambra a porcupine stand here on YouTube with Selberoba. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to enjoy the amazing content here, the mamo, on this very platform. Well, Enra Obi o monitor channel ni bia Enra yentimi amba. Yeah, restriction kitu ebintino. Enra yentimi amba enema be dijuma ewo ye channel you so Enra. You had a very, very busy day. But enayaba Enra nsem wo hopa yamba no in semini bi shishe fridge mu ehun be hia se yebeyi ne sere ne abasa na ya purupuru bi hu agu ho ne ansa na yede eye enumre yi eso de no aba be piu so nyesa there will be too much of information I be enumre be sa mamanfo bebre asa akasa wo KWASI ASANTE kotoko adakwaja achi de onim se eho ene edidi ho ne enum ho na yeda because asante kotoko nkomo no fa kese na ya adakwaja achi ene ewo nti yekoho na yakwakopa nsem no edi abrem wo enra yetimi kopie mu wo AJ Sports Complex KWASI ASANTE kotoko training kotoko youth team ne de Mumubi kind. I mean, time I remember there was the day we were having a convo about ASANTE Kotoko youth team, and I remember saying Ebumo suggested say ehube here say ASANTE Kotoko youth team no and penning for instead of the friendly matches Kotoko youth team no taibo no there will be something different for the Kotoko youth team instead of the friendly matches. I remember Emma was a convo I have on this very platform. Well, the good news is that ASANTE Kotoko youth team no nyame adom the Kotoko youth team no news ebane say impenifo etimi Acquah ade ebe kan say omo de omo third division enche omo start na omo bo matches the amaklaba the fen KWASI ASANTE Kotoko no good news ba ko flew oba jede emam. So finally the young porcupines no Mbeye to say, I kind of say, omo adakwaja achi no mo bob matches. There will be more, but you find an exclusive and ye bonnet toto. Ye besi ebechenti. Ye be sa jumano more later on this very channel. Nenra, our ASANTE Kotoko training grounds. Nenya sem ketwa recovery. And how to boost the fitness of the players. Mr. Oshanen Somame. Also, the middle of the season. Our season ni gusua koso. Na ebane sana untimi emfa players ninkosa gym. Ema monye gym work bebre. So there should be a strategic way of improving and maintaining the stamina and work rate of the individual players. Wo KWASI ASANTE Kotoko. Bacho wati asemni yedi. Yo kwan faso ye no. Na saa kwan no ena enra eho dwumadie ekoso ewo adakwaja achi the AJ Sports Complex aye de ho nsem no ede ebrem on say the technical team no decide say moba Tuesday ebe tuturumika bebra Wednesday my baba catch us say okwa ASANTE Kotoko training grounds head coach in Prosper Ogum ade ba ko a utimi hu from a distance. I see your opinion and so say he want ASANTE Kotoko to operate with a right system. The American United States Kotoko bono identity be here jumanti se oko stadium utimi kata wani ka se sei and ASANTE Kotoko epese ofaso na obone ball. Now in doing that no normally opposite team no exchange a lot of passes positional play no any possessive base football no no per team ni pa to pa no no per team no ye in training most of the time ye be call enti enra training session no oman use the full pack this an ye boy 1990 na 11 ya set pack ne kakraka no mo bono enra enye no bi ene call so e wa adakwaja achi enra de ene de it was half pack and ASANTE Kotoko team ni no che team no into players of three groups. Group ni ye omo gina mfimfia omo ye the receivers of the ball omo pass the ama the outer group. Any omo mujinemu. Almost another group their work is to press one outer group no more chire no can kuno more twa abonten no. Any omo musu jina mo ye the receivers omo de any omo genom de omo chire no. I don't know if you get the picture right. So let me put it in this way. A twa circle. Any bigina circle no. Ebi a jinam ne bi she blue babe, ebi she green. Na enhyehyɛ ne say babe bia wa adwuma eye. Nti omo jinam one group a omo jinam omo che ball ni free mo amowa atire no. Then their job is to make sure either they will pass it to another player on any jinam finfin and also be pass it at their mama more outside. Why would you outside no so no? You're supposed to pass it to another player closer to you. But what can I say? Any more chase those in the middle and those outside to get the ball. So mu chasing am on saka na say ma say mu jinam finfin e ji free mo ha, you now become the one chasing. And our outside, not one of your players ne pass it outside for you become the one chasing. Tisanity. Team finfin or for pass it baby or day and no be finfin, then become the distributors for those outside to become the receivers. Now we know any detailed tactical dimension into it become one because what this normally any say we know the team no it helps the team to boost the stamina because in set training, obi anu ha ogina faako e training ground so. Ye ni obi amaga so no do ogina faako. Training here no pressure ni so obi is under pressure and a small space. Until everybody is chasing. Until according to physical instructors, tiny omo di sound kono omo say one. Team ni yes ade na e boa ma players no etimi sustain possession when you are being pressed in a very small space. Now, as a ball never come sa. Now, se nipa ni tuagu suwa. Unim kwanya osifa fasukuta ball no. A bomber opponent either your ben oni ni jiran finfin. And at your way chire. Emma team ni lose possession when obi press in a small space. 2. And I'm say obi press in a small space. Quickly you need to look out for options. It helps players to think on their feet. No matter the pressure that is coming on them. To us, improve your possession, your ball receiving skill. Because ball no be also. Also how to receive the ball better under pressure. Now we see how to distribute the ball better under pressure. No? At the same time, some boy ma ultimate think war when you receive the ball. And lastly, and I'm saying any 11 it me boko be half mana defenders need na also ana pressure be ball mo so no we no small space we chase away. So idea normally this kind of training here any say it boosts the stamina of the players. Stamina of the players it boosts because obi run sa enti no why her team no shut down ko gym. But because of such training within the week by weekend na chese omo capacity in drop here. Enti Monday recovery na Tuesday o my yes adie we akakra. Na one person your coach abano achiro do this do that. Na se edru Wednesday corner do study Wednesday corner the players are about training ni pedin eba because no more tactical and details towards the next match club ni bebo no ene be koso ene inti sa pepepe ene tintienra that kind of training and ASANTE ko playing body ne ya na enya sep ketwa ntia no de betimi aka. Other ones there from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday training there. Here na more tactical set pieces, positional play, 3 versus 2. A lot of things. Drills near there working on players' movement and I don't know. Yetimi kan wasem. We dey betimi aka because enye anything serious. Now training. One particular person and ye share nim pass ebe hu no abrantia Yevena Kwesi ASANTE. All because on a Friday, you have a on this channel. So Kwesi ASANTE and Timi and training. I talk also confirm the mao on this same channel. Say Sunday game no. So one who Kwesi and our Kwesi ASANTE. Man you want be because Friday went to me and training. He had a wonderful training on Thursday. He was arguably one of the best players for Kotoko, and that was the first time now we training. And a Friday, you hear say na nine egu koma so one kick ball. Enra Acquah. Now this is what happened. Unfortunately, Enra when see training grounds for cry. The new signing of Asante Koroko, Kwasi Asante and see training Enra. That is one unfortunate news. And then after the Champions League, because when you said there will be attention our Champions League. So after the Champions League, you bet you na ene the course so ewa dakwaja channel the sefata see a son so de bano. You bet me the bro. Now, baby, I had drink a cranny say Kwasi a left back. Asante Koroko fano. Say left back position, you know, players available for Asante Koroko aka Patrick Esidupe. So I don't want to draw any conclusion or move to any other aspect of the convo. But your bumper is an Acquah because left back waka Esidupe. And I'm a drink a crack. I hope you say one of the reasons, one key position I need here to left back. And the Friday 1 year training, Wednesday and a Tuesday 1 year training. Let's hope say ne obetimi aye training because 1 year ne dia na ehumbe hia se ebehwehwem na ya dig deep to know what is the cause of he missing training or his absence. Ewo ye kotoko baba aspo eye adakwajache and to some extent the degree of whether a injury, the extent to which will be out. Na enkofa asembia bantienra Daniel Ajete etimi make training because onzo kaya coach ogum the two da say one man ura the 20-man squad nim because training level our expected edia free no hono unyanduriye but enra de oye full training gidigidi pa ane no so enye asem keto a ho ene Daniel Ajete a ono so ye hwe nim say emrepam obetimi anya squad nim ura Mwababesi akan ede ama Asante Koroko. Again, Michael Sefa, obibe bisa Sefa de onse ono no. Onya kotoko team numu ankase urai. Kotoko 20-man squad no. Onse Sefa ebe ura mu and coach ogum cheche mu se onse Sefa de no but division 1 league ne dada. He was active as compared to Ajete. Okaya, ya habe kan Ajete ho asem wa ha se Ajete de nhwehwe mu no. Ye kra ko training ni timu se Ajete as obehia a recovery kakra na holding nsem no form nti yambo technical team na baso coach Ogum so far amaye enough confidence he has a better way of introducing players to the team on two players ne two team no prekope e ma kire na obewie na player na waba perform poorly. He has a way of giving them enough playing time and training send you betimi make the squad na ebre no so a another player that was also missing from a Asante Koroko training, a brantia Nefeni Manuel Antwi. And Rasono Antwi and Timiamba, ye confirm one say Emmanuel Antwi and ya groin injury. Now, groin injury, you know, a confirmed say and no and a brantia. As to how long he will stay home, I'll be honest with you, in Kutame and I mean him. Just that him said the whole of last week, send you back catch them channel is no Emmanuel Antwi and see training grounds and no crack on any Emmanuel ruling out of Asante Kotoko. A young match on my boy against Kerala United. This weekend, Kotoko news Swatrenra when Timiamba Sasna Fernando Weston Bassi on also and Timiamba a training. I also a Bakwa Oha. Jede air 21 player. And I know 2 players outside these names are also Timia making the squad. And you go so shishim because I play and match training 1 day. You normally don't want to ask a lot of questions because I 1 day pay. Normally a code 2. 3 days now a hona questions ni bebre. Etimi ba 1 day na ukobi sakrana ya na ye kakra 1 day there. Between a family emergency, a bit me and so you normally don't stress yourself when a player makes a training for a year a day. But then Peter Acquah so Antwi and show up. I was Asante Koroko training. and now Peter entimi and show so far open one of the pillars in Asante Kodoko attacker with the Peter Acquah ebe count because he's doing so well for Asante Kodoko team no. I the BIA wishing all the best improvement in the twaso sa ewo ho edi ama Asante Kodoko and another player no so entimi and show up and ra ewa Asante Kodoko training Kwame Poku. For now, let's state it emphatically. Say uyi Kwasi Asante, Emmanuel Antwi, Weston Basi, Elvis J. Bafwa. These are players Yenim said they missed training because of injuries. Kwame Poku bought 90 minutes. Yenim DNT Kwame Amba. We don't want to speculate. Let's see about Juma after ene. Say ene every exactly 3:30 and Asante Kodoko started training. Says Peter, any a year Abrante fan Kwame Poku Ambadia. Then we start digging to find out why they are out. And Omame say Asante Kodoko training. But until then, a announcement said these players ain't me and show up. Asante Kodoko training. This weekend is against Insuatremai. Insuatremai at this point. And cry and say, can you say salary, you know? Be 3 be ya kem, bosume be miense bi, ya kem ewo Insuatremai side. But I've been telling you guys, every team bebo against Asante Kodoko, ya na ahokekano, ene ahoboaboano is entirely different as compared to other teams. On your beer bebo is different. The game will be live on TV and Insuatremai players, you know. Especially Omoa, mpenifo afre from open. Say omunyo Omoa, the babe shekot ko team no. These are players who go all out because they need to make a case in the match no more bono to see how best samano transfer window ni bia obabe fano. No be free club I be 3 months on the salary to club. The salary ni be buy den show. And that is the news made them out live on Porcupine Stand with Obedenti, Kwame Poku, Peter Acquah, Emmanuel Antwi, Fernando Weston Basi, Kwasi Asante, and Elvis J. Bafwa, Acquah kan Albert Amwa, and Emmanuel Kote as players and Omentimiensi Asante Kodoko training grounds. Until we meet again in the evening after the Champions League, enjoy yourself. Asante Kodoko meeting Akoso. Meeting that focuses on how to win the Ghana Premier League. Enye meeting ketwa mpenifo ani abre se Ghana Premier League na esomoje. Inti Sunday no after the match, bro a half circles. Chairman Fuzi. Na don't forget se Christopher Damenya on also bar stadium. Chairman Kwekwa Ponsa K5 also bar stadium a hokra account and a decision around the virtual seat kika bomwa ema Monday announcement ne by nebom impenifona jatum se nyame ya adomwa eye kwasiada we ene ne kwasiada edi anim no se next kotoko game virtual seat ya mpenifo alanchi edioma beko yia who be here Asante Kodoko betimi abon homoden in the next 2 away games against Young Apostles and also against Klaba, your friend Insuatremai, because Senyoma na nkoya there's it will have a big effect Kotoko attendance and even how the fans ever patronize to the virtual seat challenge. Inti info ha medema on here say meeting na kosopa na mwintimi famu nsem bebremba, but it's all about how Kotoko can go to Brunahafo and make sure they leave there with a good results. Also, Kotoko last trip to Brunahafo no, or share Diana Stars by 2-0. Inti ehon komo details pa etimia koso, but you better tell hon more at the amount in the evening. A very extensive version of news or Porcupine Stand at a Brown. Until we meet again, take good care of yourself and bye bye.